Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to week 5. It is now Tuesday. My joke for the day is, why do you never see elephants hiding in trees? The answer is because they're so good at it. Okay, so I've actually put the Zoom meeting links on this separate slide now. So there will be one on Wednesday and then there will be one on Friday. And then I'm sure you've heard the news that school is reopening on Monday, so that's exciting. And I'll just walk you through today. So for writing today, you're doing the same thing as yesterday. You're writing your narrative. And remember, the instructions for that have been put on a slide that's in your writing folder. And I said in my morning video yesterday that I didn't want to actually see any writing on the spreadsheet because you should be working on it for 2 days. Yet a lot of people still put their writing up. So make sure you keep working on it, edit it, make sure it's your best work. And I'm not actually going to check any of that until tomorrow. So you've still got today to work on that. So make sure it's the best writing you can produce. And then reading, you're just continuing with listening to A Midsummer Night's Dream on Epic. So you're reading Act 3 today to the end of the story. And then after you've done that, maths. Maths today, we're doing scales. You're going to work out the scale to see how much liquid are in these jugs. So watch this video first. It tells you exactly how to work out what the scale is. And then you just copy and paste this into your Term 2 math slide and you just write in the text box how many milliliters there are in the jugs. And remember the units, they're very important. Then after you've done maths, you have inquiry. You'll find this inquiry slide. Just copy and paste this all onto your inquiry slide from last week because we're continuing with the same stuff. So just copy and paste all these slides today and you won't have to worry about it again. So you got to watch this play first, just a short video on YouTube. And then your first task is to write at least 2 things you already know about Athens or Greece. You can just do it here, so you're not making a whole bunch of extra slides. And then task 2, make sure you've done the reading task first, so that's listening to the story on Epic. And then you got to match the character descriptions on the next slide. There's this slide here, which can help you as well, so have a look at that. Let's go all the characters here. And then you just go into this slide, and it shows you how to insert an arrow there, but just the button up here, arrow, then you go there from wherever you want to go to. Just drag it around. And then after you've done that, you're doing grammar. So if you haven't already finished the spelling slides that were put in your writing folder, you do the second half of that today, so the grammar activities. And then make sure you practice your spelling words again for your test on Friday. And then after that, you have fitness. Remember, we made fitness a little bit different today to give you some more ideas. You can make your own table like this. So each card number represents a different exercise. And then you just exercise for 5 to 8 minutes if you can. And you can do this in all your breaks. Make sure you email me if you have any questions today, and have an awesome day. See ya.